Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states that she heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, "The phenomenon of night and day will not end until Lat and Uzza are worshipped." I submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed this verse, it is He who has sent His Apostle with guidance and true religion, that He may make it prevail over all other religions, though the polytheists may dislike it." Surah Tawbah, verse 33. I thought that the religion had completed. Now infidelity will not exist. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "It will certainly happen what Allah Jalla Jalaluhu pleases." Then Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will send a pure wind, so everyone having faith equal to a grain of mustard seed in his heart will expire, and those having no good in their hearts will lapse back into the religion of their ancestors. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7228.